Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to repair this MagSafe 285-watt charger. Let's dissect this. You just need this wire clipper, okay, and then insert this over here like this. Okay, now it's opened. This is original MagSafe 285-watt charger made by Lithium. Okay, let's remove this. This is original 85-watt. The issue with this adapter is stopped working after some shortage. You can see this short circuits here, okay, and the issue that is its fuse. This charger has two fuses in it. One fuse is from the power side. This fuse is not working. Once we replace this fuse, it will start working once again, and there is no need for replacing this magnetic tape cable, as it looks very fine. Its magnets and its pins, they are a very good condition. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.